Jesus, as this Sunday draws to a close, I lift my heart to you in gratitude. Thank you for the rest and renewal found in your presence. I surrender the week ahead into your hands, knowing that you go before me. Fill me with wisdom for every decision and strength for every challenge. Let your favor rest upon me, opening doors no one can shut. May my work be done with excellence as an offering to you. Guard my heart from worry and fill my mind with peace. Lead me in kindness and integrity, reflecting your love to those around me. Bless my steps, my words, and my actions, so that they may glorify you. Jesus, I trust in your provision, your guidance, and your grace. As I walk into Monday, I walk with you. Amen.